Hello everyone. So for today's project, we started with 4 different pictures that I had printed right at the photo center, and I cut them to about 3.5 by 3 inches. I found these wooden boxes right at Michael's for about $4. They're already painted white and have like a distressed look to them. Mod Podge mat that dries clear, and a Gen foam brush. So I first started by taking my Gen foam brush and applying said Mod Podge to one side of the box. You want to put a good amount, and then I took my first picture and laid it down on top of the Mod Podge. Now you want to center it and put it where you want. And once it's in place, I kind of just push down to make sure it was adhered. And you take more Mod Podge and put it right on top. You want to make sure you put a good amount. And just like that. Now I did this to all 4 sides. When you're applying the Mod Podge, you just want to catch any drips or clumps before it dries. Don't worry too much about the streaky look after applying the Mod Podge, because when it dries clear and will not look like that. And then you just set it aside to dry. And once it's dry, this is what it's going to look like. The Mod Podge dries clear. And then I found these succulents right at the Christmas tree shop, and I just put them right inside. And it's just a cute little gift that we like to give to the grandparents around Christmas time. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel where you could find other tutorials, and please subscribe while you're there. And we want to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas from Chalk It Up Fancy. Have a wonderful day with your family.